Neon buzzing in a desert bar, Route 66 carved up my scars. Dust on the hood, stars hang low. Another mile I ain't supposed to go. Bartender wipes a chipped wood top, says, son, you know we're closing up. Clock on the wall says 8:30, but the night ain't done, temp and fade. Every town feels like deja vu. Every goodbye's half true. It's last call on Route 66 tonight. A whiskey burning, flickering lights. Every ghost I left still knows my name, but the road don't care about the blame. If heaven's closed and hell's too far, I'll sleep under the stars with my old guitar. No plans, no promises to fix, just last call on 66. Chrome motel with a buzzing sign. Sheets smell like dust and borrowed time. Parked out front, that beat up ride, still running strong on hope and pride. Jukebox hums a worn out tune about a love that left too soon. I drop a quarter, let it play like it knows what I won't say. I ain't searching for a saving sign, just one more mile of my own design. It's last call on Route 66, slow and low. Every mile's a long goodbye. No, I ain't looking back at what I was. I burned that map and crossed my blood. If freedom costs more than I can fix, I'll pay it down with another sip. Yeah, I'll ride it till the night don't mix with last call on 66. Somewhere there's a porch light glowing dim. Mama's praying I'll make it in, but the highway hums louder than regret, and I ain't ready to settle yet. Steel strings cry through desert air. Every mile pulls me anywhere. If I fade out for the break of dawn, tell 'em I kept my engine on. It's last call on Route 66, fade to black. Every road I love pulls me back. No clean hands, no alibi, just an outlaw heart and a restless sky. This is where the night decides. I'll roll the dice and let it ride. Yeah, I'll take whatever the night may fix with last call on Route 66. Neon's dying, the road still kicks. Last call on Route 66. Headlights cut through a cornfield haze. AM radio, old Merle plays. Two-lane blacktop, no yellow lines. Just a tank half full and borrowed time. gravel pops under worn out tires, county moon hanging low like a fire. Every mile puts a little space between who I was and this runaway place. Ain't no preacher, ain't no plan, just a restless heart and a steering wheel in my hand. It's midnight on the back roads, nowhere to go. White lines humming soft and slow. Windows down, let the cold wind in. Smells like dust, regret, and gasoline. I ain't lost, I just don't belong to the life I left before this song. If freedom's a curse, I'll wear it proud. Midnight on the back roads, running it down. Neon buzz from a roadside dive, last call barely hanging on to life. Boots on the floor, beer going flat. Everybody here's trying not to look poor. Truckers talk about miles and pain. Farm boys pray for rain. A waitress smiles like she's seen my face in 100 towns just like this place. I ain't searching for a saving sign, just a reason to leave it all behind. It's midnight on the back roads, no names called, just the sound of tires and the nightfall. Every wrong turn feels damn near right under a worn-out moon and a dashboard light. I ain't chasing gold or crown, just a piece that comes from driving out. If this road breaks me, I won't slow. Midnight on the back roads, letting it roll. Somewhere there's a porch light still burning. Mama's praying, guess she's learning. You can't chain a man to where he's been when the highway's calling louder than sin. Steel strings cry in the dark, every mile leaves another mark. If I disappear before the dawn, just know I kept my engine on. It's midnight on the back roads, fade to black. Every mile I ain't going back. No map, no deal, no alibi. Just an outlaw soul in a restless sky. If tomorrow never comes around, I'll still be moving when the sun goes down. Ain't no shame in letting go. Midnight on the back roads, that's the only way I know. Yeah, the night don't judge and the road don't lie. Midnight on the back road, that's where I'm alive. Truck stop sign buzzing red and blue, diesel in the air, sky half through. Boot heels worn down, hands smell like smoke. Another night running on nothing but hope. Jukebox coughs up an old heartbreak. Bartender pours what I couldn't shake. County line hums under bald tires. Every mile feeds the still, just following that highway well. There's whiskey miles ahead and ghosts behind. Every drink tastes like borrowed time. I don't know where this road will bend, but I ain't turning back again. If love was a lesson I barely passed, but the night don't care about my past. Yeah, I'm leaving it all unsaid, with whiskey miles ahead. Neon flickers on a closed down bar, name still scratched in the bathroom scar. Pickup laughs rolling by too fast, like they never met the past. Mama's voice in a half-remembered prayer fades out quick in the cold night air. Every mile puts a little space between my name and my face. I ain't searching for a saving sign, just something that feels like mine. There's whiskey miles ahead, rain on glass. Every mile I'm losing fast. I don't need heaven or a clean goodbye, just the hum of tires and a midnight sky. If freedom burns, let it burn me red. I'd rather feel it than stay half dead. Yeah, I'm running on fumes and dread, with whiskey miles ahead. Somewhere there's a porch light glowing low, someone hoping I don't go. But the road's been calling me by name, and I never was built to stay the same. Steel strings cry through the cab. Every mile's the best thing I never had. If I don't make it past daylight, at least I drove it right. There's whiskey miles ahead, fade to black. Every ghost I ain't calling back. No clean hands, no alibi, just an outlaw heart and a restless sky. If this road's the last I tread, I'll take it straight and see it end. Yeah, I'm done with all the fear I fed, with whiskey miles ahead. Yeah, the bottle's empty, the night ain't dead. Still got whiskey miles ahead. Sun's going down on a one-lane town, gaslight hums, no one's hanging around. Mama said, boy, don't run too fast, but this old Ford's got a foot in the past. Radio static, the preacher's voice, talking about sin like we had a choice. I left my name on a barroom wall with a pocket full of dreams and not much at all. Every mile pulls me further away from the ghosts that beg me to stay. It's dust in the rear view, fading to gray. All my yesterdays blowing away. I don't know where I'll end up tonight, but I'm still rolling under county line lights. No chains, no rules, no alibi. dust in the rear view, and I'm still alive. Neon flickers at a roadside bar, burnt coffee and cheap cigars. A waitress smiles like she knows my name, like she's seen this look and this kind of pain. Pickup trucks and worn out boots, broken hearts and nothing to lose. Everybody's running from something inside, but the highway don't ask you to testify. Ain't looking back for forgiveness or proof, just letting go of the truth. It's dust in the rear view, slipping behind. All those what ifs fall out of my mind. I don't need heaven or reason why, just a tank half full and a goodbye sign. No promises, no last goodbyes, just white lines passing by. If freedom burns, let it light the sky. It's dust in the rear view, and I'm still alive. Midnight rolls like thunder in my chest. Every wrong turn feels like I chose my best. I've loved hard, I've lost a few, but I ain't done chasing what's true. Steel strings hum with a broken tune, moonlight dances on the hood. If I disappear before the dawn, just know I died with the engine on. It's dust in the rear view, gone with the wind. Every scar's just proof I lived. I don't know where this road will end, but I drive it all over again. No map, no fear, no ties that bind, just outlaw blood and borrowed time. If this is freedom, I won't ask why. It's dust in the rear view, and I'm still alive. Yeah, the past can't chase me through. It's just dust in the rear. Sun sinking low on a nowhere road, dust in my teeth, hands on the wheel. That old V8's humming a familiar song about leaving town before it gets real. Mama's words in a rearview blur, don't burn bridges, you might return. But the tank's full now and the night's wide open. Some doors close best when they're broken. I ain't running fast, I ain't standing still, just following a voice I can't kill. Freedom smells like gasoline, burn rubber and a bad routine. Windows down, let the night roll in. If this is wrong, don't save me then. I don't need gold or a promised land, just white lines and a shaking hand. Yeah, I found my tail and a falling star. Every town looks like I've been there before. Every goodbye feels less like war. Pickup laughs and a jukebox cry, cheap whiskey and a tired lie. Leave my name where it won't be found, on bathroom walls and lost and found. I ain't looking for heaven's door, just something worth driving for. Freedom smells like gasoline, midnight air and broken dreams. Every mile burns a memory clean. Every scar feels honest to me. I don't need peace that comes too easy. I'll take this fire if it frees me. Yeah, I breathe it deep, I lean in. Freedom smells like gasoline. Somewhere there's a porch light on. Mama's praying I ain't too far gone, but the highway hums louder than fear, and the road don't promise I'll be here. Steel strings cry through the dash. Every mile's a match to the past. If I burn out for the morning sun, at least I went out running wild. Freedom smells like gasoline. Long nights and old routine. No change, no map, no guarantees. Just an outlaw heart and a restless dream. If this road's the last I've seen, I'll take it fast, I'll take it mean. Yeah, I'll ride it till the engine screams. Freedom smells like gasoline. Yeah, the night don't judge, and the road don't lie. Freedom smells like gasoline. Taillights glow on a two-lane bend, dust in the mirror, nowhere to send. Radio hums like an old friend saying, don't stop now, this is where it ends. Barn lights flicker, dogs bark low, cornfields whisper what I already know. Crossing signs that don't mean a thing, just another town I won't be claiming. Every mile pulls a little more free from the weight that used to be me. There's smoke over county lines tonight, headed south under a pale moonlight. Burning bridges in the rearview shine, let them fade with the passing signs. I ain't running, I just won't stay where the past still calls my name. If this road's a crime, I'll do the time with smoke over county line. Neon buzz at a roadside stand, burnt coffee and a wedding band. Still in my pocket from a life I left. Didn't pawn it yet, but I ain't bet. Pickup beds full of busted plans. Every face looks like they understand that look you get when you've gone too far, but the road still knows who you are. Ain't no law that can make me turn from the lessons I had to learn. There's smoke over county lines, hanging low like a signal, saying time to go. Every mile writes a brand new lie about who I was and the reasons Steel strings cry through the cab. Every mile's the best thing I never had. If I vanish before the morning comes, tell 'em I followed where the highway runs. There's smoke over county lines, faded gray. Every ghost I left finds its way back to town. I grew fast while I keep driving past the past. No map, no chain, no finish sign, just outlaw blood and borrowed time. If I go out tonight, I'll be fine with smoke over county line. Yeah, the night rolls on, the road still shines. Smoke over county lines. Headlights cut through a two-lane night. Dust on the hood, stars out of sight. Mama's voice in the radio hears, saying, boy, don't run like this. Gas station glow on a tired town. Payphone ringing, no one around. I leave my name where it won't stay, on a barroom wall in cheap spray paint. Every mile puts a little space between who I was and this empty place. Runaways don't look back, no sir. They burn those bridges just to be sure. If love was easy, I'd still be there, but the road don't promise fair. I ain't lost, I just won't stay where the past still calls my name. Let the dust close every track. Runaways don't look back. Neon buzz in a roadside dive. Last call barely hanging on to light. Bartender nods like he understands. Some folks are born with gas in their hands. Pick up laughs from a corner booth, talking about work and wasted youth. Every story sounds like mine, just told in a different county line. I don't need saving, I don't need signs, just white lines and borrowed time. Runaways don't look back, they ride through the dark with nothing to hide. Every scar's a badge of truth, from nights we lost and roads we chose. If heaven waits, it'll wait a while. I ain't done running these miles. Let the past fade into black. Runaways don't look back. Somewhere there's a porch light on. Mama's praying I ain't too far gone, but the highway hums louder than regret. I ain't done listening yet. Steel strings cry through the dash. Every mile's a match to the past. If I disappear before dawn, just know I kept my engine on. Runaways don't look back, not tonight. They chase the dark, they chase the light. No maps, no chains, no alibi, just runaways don't look back. Paper map torn at the county line, coffee gone cold, reading open signs, gas gauge dancing just above red. Another night doing what I never said. Dust on my boots, smiles on my hands. Every town's got a one-night stand. The radio laughs and it's gone too soon, like a promise under a barroom moon. I ain't lost, I just quit pretending that I knew how this was ending. It's broken maps and barroom songs, singing about where I don't belong. Every mile's a wrong turn right, under flickering neon and a dashboard light. If home's a word I can't define, I'll find it in the bottom of a line. Yeah, I live between the lines I've drawn, with broken maps and barroom songs. Bartender nods like he's seen my face in 100 towns that all feel the same. Burnt whiskey, cheap regret, every promise I ain't kept. Pick up laughs from a corner booth, talking about work and wasted youth. The jukebox hums an old goodbye. I swear that song knows why I drive. I don't need saving, I don't need proof, just one more mile of borrowed truth. It's broken maps and barroom songs. Every night I stay too long. Every road leads me away from the life I almost stayed. If love's a game, I lost my turn, but I learned which bridges burn. Yeah, I keep moving till the break of dawn, with broken maps and barroom songs. Somewhere there's a porch light glowing low, someone's still hoping I'll come home. But the highway hums louder than cricket, and I ain't done listening yet. Steel strings cry through the noise, every mile steals another choice. If I fade out with the morning sun, tell them I went out humming along. It's broken maps and barroom songs, every scar I ever wore on my sleeve like a worn out sign, pointing anywhere but behind. No plan, no deal, no finish line, just an outlaw heart and borrowed time. Yeah, I'll keep rolling till I'm gone, with broken maps and barroom songs. Coffee is cold in a chip white cup. Truck stop hums, neons giving up. Boots on gravel, breath in the air. Another town that don't know I was there. A radio preacher talking about grace. I just wiped the dust off my face. Sun ain't up, but the night won't quit. I've been running on fumes and bad habits. Every mile I leave behind feels lighter than the one in my mind. I'm a long way past sunrise, still rolling on, chasing shadows till the break of dawn. Got the past in the rear view, faded and gone. Still driving like I don't need one. If home's a place I don't recognize, I find my peace in the county lines. Yeah, I'm a long way past sunrise, but I'm still alive. Farm lights blink like tired stars. Old love letters in the glove compartment are. Every name I never called feels heavier when the night gets long. Windshield crack, moon hanging low, like it knows something I don't wanna know. Every mile hums a broken tune, just me, this road, and the smell of June. I ain't lost, I just don't stay where the memories beg me to wait. I'm a long way past sunrise, running blind. One light burning through my mind. No plans, no ties, no alibis, just a restless heart and borrowed time. If tomorrow don't show its face, I'll keep driving anyway. Yeah, I'm a long way past sunrise, and that's okay. Somewhere there's a porch light on. Mama's praying I ain't gone too far gone, but the highway's louder than regret, and the road ain't done with me yet. Steel strings cry through the cab. Every mile's the best thing I never had. If I burn out before daylight, at least I went down moving right. I'm a long way past sunrise, fade to gray. Every ghost I love gave up the chase. No maps, no rules, no finish line, just open road and a restless sky. If this life's just a roll of dice, I'll take my chances, I won't think twice. Yeah, I'm a long way past sunrise, still chasing life. Yeah, the night's still holding on, but I can feel the morning coming strong. Long way past sunrise, still rolling on, That old Chevy's coughing just like me. Rust on the door, dance full of memory. The AM dial spinning through ghosts and noise. Found a broken song from a Georgia boy. Dashboard crack, cigarette burn. Every mile's a lesson you don't relearn. The sun went down on a payday town, left with a tank low and my windows down. Ain't no signal where I'm headed tonight, just white lines and a faded sign. It's rough and radio static in the dead of the night. Lost voices humming in and out of the light. Every song sounds like goodbye. Every mile feels like borrowed time. I ain't looking for saving, I ain't asking why. Just chasing peace at 75. If this road breaks me, I won't panic, I'll fade out slow with the rust and radio static. Neon buzz from a closed down bar. Smells like rain and a long way far. Truckers pass with their brights on high, like they know something I won't find. Mama's voice in a half-played prayer fades in quick then disappears. Funny how love comes through the noise, then drops dead between two broken chords. Every town looks the same at night, different sin, same damn lights. Just rust and radio static, humming low. Old regrets on a country road. Every mile puts another scar between who I was and who you are. I don't need heaven, I don't need panic, just one clear song through the static. If I go out tonight, I'll go dramatic with rust on my hands and radio static. Somewhere there's a porch light burning late. Someone's still betting I'll come home safe. But the road don't lie and the night don't care. It just pulls you on when you're halfway there. Steel streams cry through the dash. Every note cuts through the past. If I vanish before the morning comes, tell 'em I went out humming along. It's rust and radio static, fade to black. Every mile I ain't turning back. No clean signal, no second chance, just a beat up heart and a slow dance. If freedom's just noise, I'll take it frantic. I was never built for automatic. I'll ride it out till the night goes manic with rust and radio static. If a song breaks up, then it's gone.